They had their Venom trailer, they had their Morbius trailers out during that time, and all full of chock full of Spider-Man stuff. Spider-Man's going to be in these movies. And then these two movies we got are massively retooled. They're both an hour and a half, you know? They have to bring together a bare bones plot with ADR, and then it's like, okay, yeah, we're only going to show you absolutely what we can do to get enough butts in seats to make as much money as possible. We're not going to waste your time. It's an hour and a half, 90 minutes. And
So
it's like,
you're saying they didn't waste your time?